For part C, we're going to solve for x, but we have the logarithmic equation. To solve the logarithmic equation, we're going to use the log property to bring the sum, the difference, or the coefficient into the one single log. For our case, we have the sum of the two logs. We're going to use a property that log x plus log y equals the log of the product x and y. Then we're going to bring them back into one single log as log of x minus 3 times x plus 3 equals 0. After we get one single log, we're going to rewrite the log into the exponential. Or another way you can see this as you're going to raise both sides to be the power of the e. With the cancellation law, e to the natural log of the x equals x. So the left-hand side, e and log, they take care of each other. So it becomes the product of x minus 3 and x plus 3 equals e to the 0 power, which is 1. Now we're going to simplify the product on the left-hand side to be x squared minus 9 equals 1, or x squared minus 8 equals 0. And then we're going to solve for x. So the x equals positive 8, take the square root, put the plus minus sign, or we can rewrite it as positive 2 square root 2 and negative 2 square root 2 as a result. For the natural log of the x minus 3, by the restriction, x minus 3 must be positive number. So then x must be greater than 0 for the restriction of the first term. And for the second term, the natural log of x plus 3, the expression x plus 3 must be strictly greater than 0. So x must be greater than negative 3. So we're going to find the answer that satisfies these two conditions. Negative 3, positive 3, the number has to be greater than those numbers. That means we're going to need the solution that's greater than 3. What number that's greater than 3 is 2 times square root 2 is the one that we are looking for. So then the negative 2 square root 2, we disregard them. So take care of that. That means x equals 2 square root 2 is the answer. That satisfies the domain of the natural log.